Hello everyone, my name is B. Ablash. I am from CSE AML department. Today's my topic motion detectors. Motion detectors. This presentation explores the working of application of motion detectors device that detect the movement and trigger action. What is the motion detector? A motion detector is an electrical device that sends movement in its surroundings. It is designing to detect change in infrared radiation, microwave energy, or a combination of both. These directions are commonly used securely system, lights control, and other applications where the direction of movement necessary. In this in this motion detectors, we have a sensors. The motion detectors contains a sensor that emits a signal such as infrared, ultrawaves into surrounding areas. Detections. When an object person enter the detection zone, it reflects or disrupts the signal emitted by the sensor. Trigger. The, the motion detector inspect the changes in the signals as moving the triggers. An alarm turns on the light or active on other devices. Motion detectors are commonly used in security systems to detect the enters or axis. Light control to turn on light when someone enters a room or area. Automatic doors to open the doors when someone approach the door. Home automatic to control the various devices such as the thermostatic or entertaining systems. There are different types of motor detectors included. One passive infrared means PIR detect heat and motion. Second one is ultrasonic use high frequency sound wave detect the movement. Third one is microwave use microwave radiation to detect the motive. Fourth one is dual technology. Combine two or more detection methods in front of in for improve access. Let's move on next slide. How do you motion detectors works in real life? First one is detection. Motive detection captures the changes in infra radiations or micro energies casually by moving within their field of view. Infra radiation PIR motion detectors detect infrared radiation emitted by objects within the detecting zone. Ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic modulation detects the emit high frequency sound waves and detect the reflection of object within the detection zone. Third one is microwave radiation. Motion detectors emit the microwave radiation and detect the reflection from the object within the zone. Second one is signal processing. The capture the signal is processed to identify the turn movement and difference it background noise or static objects. In the signal reception, the motion detectors receive the signals infrared from the object person within the detective zone. Second one is amplification. The received signal is amplification to increase its strength and quantity. Filtering. The amplitude signals is filtered to the removing noise and unwanted frequency. Signal process algorithm. The demodulated signals is processed using algorithm that analyzes the signal's frequency, amplitude, and duration. Third one is activation. When genius movement is detect the detector actives and output signals trigger the detector, the process signals is computed to predict threshold values. Trigger if the signal exceeds the threshold value, the motive detector trigger an alarm to turn a light or active another device. Uh, Now we describe about advanced signal process techniques. Digital signal process. Someone moving detectors use digital signal process techniques such as fast Fourier transfer (FFT) to analyze the signals. Second one is machine learning algorithms. Some advantages motions detectors use machine learning algorithm to learn the pattern of movement and improve detective accuracy. Sensor fusion. Some motion detectors combine data and multiple sensors such as PIR and ultrasonic to improve the detector accuracies. Let's move on next slide. Type of motion detectors. PIR means passive infrared sensors. These detectors are most common sensing infrared radiation emitted by warm object like human. We see in digital thermometer. It is put in fever. We can show that how much temperature will be shown. That is also one type of the motion detector. Um, Detector method infrared radiation emitted by the object. Advantage low power consumption, low cost and uses to install. Advantage can be triggered by heated source pets or defaults. It is also carried. Second one is microwave sensor. Microwave sensor, this detector used microwave to detect the movement. Works regulations of temperature different but are less price. Micro radiation emitted by the sensors and reflected by objectives can detect the motion through objectless high sensitivity and wide convey area can be effectively by the mental objected high power confusion and expensive. Third one is dual technology sensor. These combine PIR and microwave technology offers across the reliability in a driver's environment. Advantages of the dual technology sensors improve accuracy, reducing flames alarms and increase the reliability. Disability of the dual technology higher cost, increasing power consumption and more complex installation. Next slide we detailed explain the what is PIR, microwave sensor, how it will be works, dual technology sensor, how it will be works. Next slides we have to see. Now we are seeing passive infrared sensors, how it works. We see in passive infrared some about calls PIR. How PIR sensor works. PIR sensors measure the amount of infrared radius in the field of view. They identify the movement by detecting changes in the amount of infrared radius. All objects emitted infrared radiation which has the format of heat. The PIR sensor cannot elemented, usually ceramic or polary material that detect the changes in infrared radiation. Detected zone. The PIR sensor is designed to detect movement with a suspected um, detection zone to some zone. Signal processing. When an object entered into the detection zone, the PIR element detect the change in infrared radius and sends the signal of the process unit. Triggering. The process unit analyzes the signal and trigger an alarm to activate the device if the signal exceeds the predict threshold. Advantages of PIR sensor. PIR sensor are cost efficient, how low power consumption, and are relatively easy to install in the our PIR sensor consuming very lower, making them stability of our power battery using are relatively inexplained compared to motive the detection technology. Highly sensitivity PIR sensor can be detect even slight changes in the infrared radiation, making them highly sensitive. Applications of the PIR sensor security system. PIR sensor are widely used in security system to detect the infrared light control. PIR sensor are used in light control system to turn on lights when someone enter into the room. Uh, that's sensors that detect the person body heat and light rays and detect the and alarm on the alarm. Light control. PIR sensors are used in light control system to turn on lights when someone enters into the room. Automated doors. PIR sensors are used in automatic doors to detect the approach person. Then doors will be open and the person exit the door will be closes. Home authentication. PIR sensors are used in home automatic system to detect the movement of control various devices. Next slide we seen the how to works microwave sensors. Microwave sensors, how they works. Microwave sensors emitted the radio waves and detect the change in the reflected waves used by the movement in their concrete area. Microwave sensors emit the micro radiation typically in the frequency range 3 to 10 GHz. The microwave radiation is the emitted into a specific detection zone. Reflection. When the an object enters the detective zone, it reflects the microwave radiation back to the sensor. The reflection microwave radiation undergoes a Doppler shift with is change in frequency caused by the movement of the object. The microwave sensor detects the Doppler shift and process the signal to determine the presence, distance, and speed of the object. We have to see advantages of the microwave sensor. Microwave sensors are more reliable in advanced weather conditions like rain or fog compressed to PIR sensor. High sensitivity. How microwave some sensors are highly sensitive and can detect even slides. Microwave sensor can detect objects and long ranges typical up to the 100 meters. Um, Immediately to environment factors, microwave sensors are immunity to environment factors such as temperature. Sometimes temperature will be low, sometimes it will be high, sometimes it will be cold, covered the fog, like this. Ability to presenting obstacles. Microwave sensors can presenting obstacles such as walls, glass, and plastic. Low maintenance. Microwave sensors request to low maintenance and the resistance to wear the tears. Applications of the microwave sensor. Secure sensitivity. Microwave sensors are used a secure system to detect the infrared traffic motivation, including authorized medical applications, smart home system, like that. Next slide. We have to move next slide. Dual technology sensor. Dual technology sensor in increasing accessories. Combining PIR and microwave technology provide great access to ability to identify the movement. Dual technology sensor combine two or more sensors such as pressure, infrared, PIR, and microwave sensors. Second one, sensors has its own detection zone which may overlap or complex each other. The signals from each sensor are processed separately when they combine to detect the presence, distance, and spread of the object or person. The dual technology sensor trigger an alarm or active device on when both sensor detect the objects. Enhanced detective dual technology sensor can detect the movement in the wide range of conditioner and environment, reducing false alarm by the utilization to detection method. Dual technology sensor are less to false alarm triggered by the environment factor. Applications of dual technology sensor security system. Dual technology system are usually security system to detect the false alarm, including. Let's move on next slide. Applications of motion detectors. Home security system. Motion detectors are a circular components of the home security system. Triggers the alarm when authorized enters its detector. Lighting control. Motivation detectors are used to authoritated lights, turning on light when someone enters the room, off when the leaving the room. Commercial applications. Motion uh, detectors find the applications in store, warehouse, and other commercial spaces for security monitoring and energy efficiency. Home security system. Intrusion detection. Motion detector default uh, enter the trigger alarm and alerting the homeowners to secure the person. Detector efficient. The presence of motion detector serves as a deterrent against potential interaction, reduce the likelihood of break-ins. Lighting controls and energy efficiency. Motion detectors helps conserve energy by automatically turning off lights when no one is present in the room. Second one is convenience. Motion detectors provide convenience by eliminating the needs to manual turn off lights and off, and we save the and security. Motion detectors lights improve the safety and secure, make it hard for introduced to hide the to consume low power of and turn off the lights. It save the power. Thank you all.